Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a nice little double unboxing of my new Kinder Surprise Justice League eggs. Now, if you remember from the last unboxing, I got the Superman car, which I didn't really want. I wanted the Batman, and so I went to Tesco's a couple of weeks after, well, it was actually after Easter time, and guess what? They dropped the prices on these eggs significantly. I would have ended up buying 5 or 6, but they still had limits on a couple of items, and to be honest with you, I couldn't really fit more than 2 in my trolley because it was absolutely packed. Right, okie doke. So, got 2 of these lovely Kinder Surprise eggies. Now, hopefully, I'll get at least 1 Batman in the 2 of these. Hopefully, it's got to happen. I mean, if I get 2 Supermans, I'm going to be really annoyed with that. Don't want 2 more of these, so let's get on with this quick little unboxing. What I'll do is I'll just unbox one at a time, just quickly do the unboxing. Now, I was going to get the kids here, but they're downstairs somewhere, so I thought, you know what, I'll just quickly do this while I can, quickly get this unboxing out of the way, and so I can enjoy the toy. Same old packaging, great stuff. And then hopefully we'll start eating these. Let's just move that out of the way. So there's the first one done. Let's get that second one done. Yeah, so this egg actually cost me, well, the first egg in the first unboxing was £5. It was, I think it was £4.99 or £5 or something like that. And yeah, so I just got these 2 last week. And guess how much they were? Go on, take a guess. Yep, you're right. They were absolutely ridiculous price. So I bought them for £5. So I got this toy, basically got this toy for £5, and now they were doing them for £1.25. Unbelievable. Could have bought 5 more eggs for that much. So I guess I've learnt my lesson. Don't buy them before Easter, buy them after Easter. But to be honest with you, they never really dropped the prices of these ones, because I do buy these every single year, because, you know, I'm just me, aren't I? So let's just carry on and get these nicely unboxed. I don't want to break the packaging on this, so I'm going to try getting this one out like this. Just try squeezing that eggy out. Let's get that nice little eggy out. I mean, they must have got it in without breaking the packaging. So let's have a look. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I want to get that. I want to push that out without breaking that packaging. Oh, there you go. A little bit of a side angle. There it is. Come on, come on. Let's not break that packaging. Oh, look, I've gone and ripped it. You know what? Forget it. There you go. Throw that away. Can't be bothered with the packaging. Let's just get rid. There you go. All right. I'm just excited about this. I'm sure you are too. So, let's have a look at this one. So, which one should we open first? Spinny, spinny. Let's do the right one first. Go with the right side first. So, let's do this now. Let's get that nice little... Oh, look at that. I tell you what, this is probably one of the best tasting eggs in the world, this. There you go. Crack that open. Oh, look at that. Ooh, smells beautiful as well. Look at that. Size of that. Gorgeous, gorgeous eggy. So, clear my table. Don't want my chocolate to get all over my new toy. Ooh, shall we see if we can determine what this is? Ooh, this looks quite dark on the inside, so it might be promising that. What I'll do is let me just get rid of this one as well. Let's quickly open this, get this one out of the way. And there we go. Look at that. Gorgeous stuff. So, chocolate on the side. Let's get the 2 eggs done. Oh, I'm excited. Right, let's have a look. Let's open this one. Oh, do you know what? That one's got quite a reddish tone to it, so I think that's going to be a Superman. Let's just open this one and get it out of the way if it is Superman. So, yeah, there you go. That's a Superman. Don't want that. Boo-hoo-hoo. Get that out of the way. This one looks like it's Batman because it's not red inside. So, let's have a look. Here's the big reveal. Are you ready for it? Oh, yes, it's Batman. Check it out, guys. Brilliant stuff. Look at that. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. I'm so happy. So happy that I got Batman. Let's have a look at this now. So, it's going to be the same rigmarole as it was with the other one. Let's have a look at the Batman sticker or whatever, the pamphlet. I think that's the same. I was going to have the Batman thingamajig on. So, this time I'm going to make sure I don't end up making this without looking at the instruction, because last time I nearly broke it and I don't want to break me Batman one, so move that out of the way. I think it's the same stuff really. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly the same. You got the wings there, you got the two wingy parts at the back that are going to open up, you got the top and bottom part of the thingamajig. So let's just go through this now. So number one, they want us to put the sticker on. Should we do that then? Should we put the sticker on right now? Yeah, let's put the sticker on right now. Let's go with what the instructions are telling us. So they're saying that they want the sticker on, then they want that side part of the wing on, right? So let's get the sticker on, because it will be a bit awkward putting the sticker on once it's all done, as was the case with the Superman one. Come on, you silly thing. Let's get this open. Oh, they always make these dead complicated, don't they? There you go. That's it. So there it is. So let's have a nice little sticky sticker on here. That's about right there. Oh, that's gone a little bit to the left. Do you know what? I don't care. That's looking all right to me. Okay, let's leave that as it is. So now let's get this right now. So which part of the wing do we want going on first? So they're saying, so if you have it like this, they're saying put that wing on. Oh no, sorry, it's not that wing on. You've got to put this on first. You've got to put this thingamajig on here. Yeah, so that goes on there first. And then this part of the wing goes there, because it's going to open up, isn't it? That looks a bit complex. I'll tell you what, do you know what? I'm just going to get both of them, put them on like that, because they're going to open up, aren't they? This is what the Superman one was like. So yeah, so that one like that, and then that one like that. No, oh, they've both got to go down. There it is. That's it. Yeah, got to make sure that these are aligned in properly. So if you have a look at this, make sure that these are aligned in properly. It's quite dark, I don't know if you can see that. But this one here on the right, it's got like a little spike on it. So with the spike, make sure that it's aligned up and it's nice and flush there. Because if that's not nice and flush, then the contraption isn't going to work when you open it up. So just put a bit of pressure there. And then all we do is we just get the top out of the car and we just literally clip that in place. And it should go in quite nicely. It better go in nicely. I don't want to be breaking this one. Let me have a look. Alright, so we've got the see, this always happens, it's dead fiddly. So you just got to hold that in. There you go. Superb! Check that out. Look at that. Oh, this is looking so cool, isn't it? Oh, that just looks awesome. Right, there you go. Oh, look at that. Can you see that little openy? Right, there it is. And that one was a Superman one. Openy. Super duper. Right, got to get them stickers on now, because that's what it's all about, isn't it? So let's get them stickers on. So let's get that front light on. Come on, there you go. Right, front light on there. Is that the right way up? Which way up is it supposed to be? Is the yellow part? Yeah, the yellow part's supposed to be up. So let's get this on here. I want to make sure that I've lined this up properly. I don't want it looking odd, because it's important that you get the front part right. The back part doesn't really make that much of a sugar, right? Don't want to be ripping that. No. Right, do you know what? Let's get a zoomy in on this. And I'm going to sit down. I'm going to do it like this, right? Right, let's just put the car there. Get that right slap bang in the middle. Yes, looking good. Check that out. Look at that. Super, perfectly done. The one on the back's not that great, but again, I don't really care about that. Let's just carry on with this. So that's done. Next sticker, where does the most important part of, actually we'll do the important one right at the end. Let's just get this one done. So let's get that windscreen on. Let's get that windscreen on there. So again, sort of line this up nicely, put that on across. The good thing about these stickers are they are very sticky. Well, obviously this is very sticky because they're stickers, aren't they? But yeah, sometimes you get stickers that don't, like, you know, they come off really easily. These ones aren't going nowhere. So yeah, look at that. Gorgeous stuff. Alright, so we got the side ones now, the side windows. Let's get them on. Nice bit of side window there, right? So that should be on this side. Let's have a look. Get that on nicely. Let go. And let that drop into that little area. Very good. Next one. Let's get that one there. This one on the sidey. Actually, it's always important to get this side done first. So you can see me in my shaky hands. Doesn't help when you got shaky hands like me, does it? Hey, shaky hand artists like me. Alright, so there we go. Very good. Okay, now for the exciting part. So with the Superman one, they had it here. Personally, I don't really like having the back kind of logo there, because it gets all funny when you, like, you know, put it across this little groove. So instead, I'm going to put it up here. So it's my Batmobile. I'm going to do whatever I want with it. So there you go. So I'm going to put it up there. I don't want it on the bonnet, because I personally don't like it. I'm going to do that with the Superman one as well. So with the Superman one, yeah, see, now that looks so much better, that, doesn't it? So I'm going to put that one there. Let's line it up nicely. Let's get it slap bang on the middle. Yeah, that's looking okay. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. And the reason I put it on there is because it's a flat surface. On here it kind of bends dead funny, because you've got this little bumpy thing down here, like you can see with the Superman one. I don't like the sticker to like have a kind of bumpy groove to it. So with the Superman, with my other Superman model, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Superman sticker right up there, so I'll be able to differentiate. And there you go. So check that out. Let's get a zoom back on there. Let's get a nice little zoomy zoom back. Get rid of all that mess. And look at that, my set is complete. So we've got Superman and we got Batman. Yes, we have. So let's see who wins in a race. Ready, steady. Oh, Superman won that one. Let's try this one. Come on, let's give Batman a bit of a head start. Ready, steady. Yes, Batman won and Superman went the other way. Right, okie doke. So there it is. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a close-up of the actual car itself. So there it is. That's the front. That's the side. Let's get Mr. Superman out of the way. It's not about Superman today, it's about Batman. And there you go. That's the back. That's the side. That's how it looks on top with my adjusted, customised logo on there. And then you've got the openy, looking really cool. I mean, that looks really cool, that, doesn't it? It looks like part of the Batman logo as well. And then we've got the front. And then we've got the top view. Gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. That one's going to go in the car collection shelf. And that's the bottom. The wheels work nicely. And there we have it then, folks. So we've got Batman, Superman, 2020, Kinder Surprise, Justice League set